What's poppin', YouTube? Hope you guys are having a blessed year. Hope you guys are having a blessed day wherever you are. I hope this video brings you some type of joy. But today we'll be going on to the second part of the process, which will be the 3D modeling of the actual shoe. So guys, I'll be showing you the whole entire process of how I made this shoe. So without further ado, let's continue with the video. We're gonna open up the images that we created in the first video and load them up into Blender so we have a good reference and guide. So right here, just previewing the midsole / sole of the shoe, making sure that it all lines up with everything, make sure that we got the shapes. Getting the little zigzags was very tricky in this case. As you see on the bottom left corner of the screen, you see that each one is an individual piece. The process is very straightforward. All you gotta do is just get the basic shape and then go in and do your details.
As you see, we got the basic shape down. Now we're gonna move on to adding some more details to it.
Yo, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today, which was the 3D modeling portion. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be the lighting and texturing portion of this whole project, and then we'll wrap it all up to get a final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Go ahead and leave in the comment section below, how do you feel about these videos? How do you feel about this series? Should I do more? Should I switch it up? Should I design purses? Should I design what car? Whatever. Leave it in the comment section below because I want to hear you guys' opinions. And one last thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, have a blessed year.